Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a review on SCENTBIRD New York. So SCENTBIRD is a subscription service that you can subscribe to for $14.95 a month, and right now they have a promotion going on for 25% off your first month. During this month, really wanted to do a lot of fragrance reviews on affordable options and different ways to get fragrances, because fragrances can be super expensive, like for sure, like $60, $70, $80 a bottle, and if you're lucky you can maybe get a bottle for 40 or 50 on sale somewhere. But trying fragrances is something that can be very difficult, because for me personally, and I think for most people, you don't really know if you like a fragrance until you've worn it. Even if you get the tester vial like at Sephora, and I've talked about this before, it's not enough to like spray it on you and wear it. Like, you need to wear it for a few days to know if you really like it, if it really vibes with you, if it vibes with your personality, if it's you know what I mean? So these both were gifted to me by SCENTBIRD, but I'm going to be subscribing to their service because I think it's wonderful. There's a lot of different services like SCENTBIRD. However, I noticed that this company tends to partner more with a lot of higher end, more niche brands. For example, one of my fragrances from Etat Libre, the Orange by Remarkable People. That's a very expensive brand. They have, of course, Versace, Gucci, Prada, Burberry, Dolce & Gabbana, Agua de Parma, Bulgari, Nest New York, Cartier. Some of the perfumes that are a little bit pricier, that would be, in my opinion, a little bit more of an investment type fragrance. And so I'm excited. This is the atomizer they send you. It's enough to last you 30 days. It is actually really beautiful. I have actually been subscribed to another fragrance. Sorry, there's something, it's like paper on it from like the box. But I've been subscribed to other companies like this before that are cheaper, and the atomizer is not as good quality. So I don't know if you guys can see, this is a really pretty like white, shimmery, like pretty atomizer, and it has a little bird on top, and so it looks like a lipstick. But it really is enough to last you the whole month. And if you're someone like me that has a ton of fragrances and I like to wear a different one every day, it's like great, because you can use this, use your other one, try it out, try circulating it into your fragrance collection and wearing it every now and then, see if it fits you. The great thing too is they partner directly with brands and wholesalers that only sell authentic products. They also come in these really cute little suede? Is this suede? Feels like suede. But they come like in these little things to carry it in, little carrying cases. I actually really like these. Be Layered also sent me some. So I love having these. These are great because I typically, when COVID's not a thing, I travel a lot. I was a travel nurse. That's a whole nother thing. I travel a ton, you guys. A ton, like multiple times a year. I love to travel. I have family all over the place. I like to go all over the place. Like, I'm that bitch. I just like to experience new things. And so I'm always traveling. So this is also great if you're someone who travels a lot. So yeah. Anyway, the two fragrances that I chose to have sent to me from SCENTBIRD were Etat Libre, the Orange by Remarkable People. It has notes of grapefruit, champagne, cardamom, sandalwood, and labdanum. So it's a little bit of a florally grapefruit champagne fragrance. Honestly, you guys, love this. Like, I want a full bottle. I'm probably going to buy the full bottle of this one because I love it. It's not a fall fragrance, but for me, it's like the perfect spring summer fragrance. It's beautiful, it's classy. It kind of reminds me of the vibes of Victoria's Secret Bombshell, which is also a grapefruit fragrance, and also Paco Rabanne Lady Milling, which also has grapefruit in it. But I feel like this is just super duper classy. I love I love this atomizer, by the way. Yes. It's grapefruit and champagne, and it's like sweet, but not, it's very lightly sweet. Like, you know how there's a sweet fragrances that are very sweet, like overly sweet. This is just very lightly sweet. And then the cardamom gives it a warmth. The lemon gives it this nice floral note, but it's not in your face. It's mostly what I get, mostly, especially on the opening, is the grapefruit and the champagne. You guys, when this dries down, it's like this slightly woody, like sweet, classy, beautiful fragrance. I love this. Like, love this. I probably won't buy the full bottle right away because we're in October. This is definitely something I could see myself wearing like in May, June, July, where it's hot outside, and especially on evenings when you want to smell good and delicious and a little bit bold, but you don't want anything that's gonna like intensify in the heat. So this would be beautiful in like a tropical environment. I don't know. It's just amazing, 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 amazing. Love it. So this next one I also love. This is Scents of Wood, Cedar and Acacia. This fragrance, I've honestly never heard of this brand before. Never. And this has notes of cedar, ginger, cinnamon bark, cypriol heart, and orris. Orris is like a powdery, florally note. And honestly, this is one that I absolutely love, but not for me. I feel like it's unisex for sure. Like it's definitely one of those fragrances. By the way, can I just get like 3 or 4 of these just to put my fragrances in? My fragrances with when I go places, or at least for my purse, you know? You know what? The first time I smelled this, I got like Dior Sauvage vibes, which a lot of women, believe it or not, wear Dior Sauvage. I think the Sauvage is like one of the sexiest fragrances ever made for a man. It's just delicious. It's woody. Like other fragrances like that, like I really like ouds on guys too, like woody fragrances that are slightly sweet. I think that just smells hot. And so this kind of gives me that vibe, but now that I'm smelling it again on the opening, it's definitely, you can definitely smell like a brightness, like that ginger and that cypriol heart. It just definitely gives it like a delicious, slightly spicy brightness. If you like Dior Sauvage, you would love this. At first I thought it was more masculine, but now that I'm smelling it again, it could be feminine as well. It's slightly sweet. This would be, I feel like the more I smell it though, it just smells like a sexy, sexy fragrance for a guy. Like beautiful, but you know, it's not sexy where it's like trashy sexy. It's like classy and woody and bright, and it smells super good. It's not my vibe personally, like it's not my vibe personally for myself, but for a guy, I absolutely love it. I also love the bottle. Like if that's what the bottle looks like, imagine that. Like imagine a guy just waking up in the morning, like rugged, like takes a shower and does, you know, his skincare, all that stuff, and grabs for this really cool bottle. Like awesome. So yeah, I think this would be a great fragrance for a guy. I know it's unisex. I think it's unisex. I should probably look it up. You know, sometimes I think like woody scents, like especially with like powdery orris type of stuff, notes can smell dirty. This smells really clean. I love it. So anyway, I loved both the fragrances I got from SCENTBIRD. Again, this is, thank you SCENTBIRD for sending me these 2 fragrances. I'm in love. Gonna wear the Etat Libre orange for a while. I know it's totally not appropriate for this time of year, but love it. Classy, beautiful, gorgeous. And then the Scents of Wood, Cedar and Acacia, just beautiful unisex fragrance. Very woody, bright, delicious, slightly sweet, intoxicating in a way. So yeah, check out SCENTBIRD, you guys. I'll leave a link below. And thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video and found this review helpful. Again, I think this is a really great way to try a ton of different fragrances without spending money on a full bottle. We'll talk to you guys soon. Subscribe for more videos, hit the like button to help me out with the algorithm, and also if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.